once again, hats off to you, and may the best story win. Alright? Oh man, Santa Claus is getting gray. Mercy. Best of luck to you all. Thank you very much, and subscribe to win if you ought to always write to me, but you're not subscribed. You're no longer eligible until you subscribe. Okay? So subscribe. Bye guys. Good luck.
Hi Scott, I'm Danilo. I'm from Bosnia. I recently subscribed to your channel and I just love it. It's great. Hope you don't mind my British accent. This is my loving wife Tatiana. Sorry about that. You know, one of those days. So I want to thank you for all your videos, because I learned many useful things. I love your guitar review videos, and I love the way you tell what you mean about some guitar. Never mind, is it general opinion? You don't mind telling what you think, and you don't fear to say it. Also, I love your videos about tuning a guitar and setting the guitar amplifier. They've been very useful videos. Except that I learned many things that are not guitar or music stuff. I learned a lot about American culture. You see, in my country, when you want to say there's one thing, you will show like this. I want to tell you one thing, or I want to tell you one thing. But I saw in your videos that you say, I want to tell you one thing. So you see, there's two fingers and only one thing. It's amazing. You gotta love it, man. Also, from your videos, I learned a lot of curse words. You know, when you are talking about how you call it guitarted, you use a lot of curse words that I haven't had a chance to learn, because in TV programs they are beeped over. So thank you for that also, Scott. And most important thing that you will help me with is this. My wife that you saw recently told me that if I keep watching your channel and keep neglecting her, she will hit me in the head with her purple frying pan, and she will leave me. So I want to thank you for soon returning to a life of a single man, so that I would have a time for watching more of your videos and your channel. So I love you, Scott.